Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we're going to do a quick box opening of my WatchGang Black membership watch for September. What do you know, I'm actually going to open one of these during the month that I received it. I was going to do a follow-up review on something today but didn't have anything prepared, so a box opening it is. Before we get to that, do a quick wrist check and you'll see that I am wearing my Spinnaker Floose. I actually like this one quite a bit. Gets a ton of wrist time. I'm a big fan of Spinnaker. If you guys like them as well and are looking to save a little bit of money, we have promo codes for Spinnaker, Aviate, and Ballast in the links below. And if you're looking out to sign up with WatchGang, click through my link as well. It'll get you some wheel spin points and me some too. Also, guys, if you're into old cars, check out my other channel, Mileage Unknown. My brother and I are always tinkering with some old cars, trying to keep them going down the road. Currently, we've been doing a lot of work to his 1973 Volkswagen Thing. Kind of a weird, funky car. All right, what do we got? RGMT. Not one I have heard of before. If you guys aren't familiar with WatchGang, it is a monthly watch subscription that has different tier levels. There's the regular tier that's about $30. The black tier, which this is $99. And then they have the platinum tier, which is about $300. I stopped doing the regular tier. The watches were kind of fun, entry-level watches. The platinum tier, you know, if you're going to spend $300 on a watch, it might be something you want to pick out for yourself. Whereas, you know, the black tier for the $100, I feel like I've gotten a lot of cool, random, unique pieces that are fun for the $100 and helps me keep the channel going because a lot of people like to see these WatchGang unboxings. Let's see what we got from RGMT. Oh wow, this is a burly looking piece right here. Like I said, I know nothing about RGMT. I like the case that this came in. What we got here? Is this a regular light? Came with a cool flat little flashlight. Huh. That's a pretty cool kit. I'm already kind of, whoops, left it on. Oh man. I'm already kind of excited about this one. LED torch, that's even rechargeable. Awesome. Now let's take a look at the watch. Yeah, I'm already excited about this one. For my $99 subscription level, I feel like I might have got my money's worth this month. Oop, get a little focus there. Which, honestly, I feel like I get my money's worth every month. It's kind of fun to get something new, different, unique. I like that textured dial. Kind of a cool green. Everything's kind of chunky on this one. I'm digging it so far. It is pretty heavy. 100-meter water resistance. Chrono. Looks like the model number on this one, if you see there, is an RG-8005. Huh. Got their logo on the crown. Oh, there's the full model number. Sorry, guys. RG-8005-22. RGMT. Let me go ahead and throw it on wrist really quick so we can kind of get an idea on what this one looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. It is a pretty burly piece. It's not overly huge on my wrist, so I would feel comfortable wearing this one, but it is kind of at my limit. Looks like I would remove 3 to 4 links out of this one. Do have some micro adjustments on the bracelet itself. Man, I'm kind of digging this one so far. I like the packaging. I like that I got a super cool USB LED light. That always comes in handy. Not too bad this month, WatchGang. I'm going to do my usual and get a little bit more information on the watch as far as the movement, what kind of crystal we're using, but I'm digging this burly piece. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.